Good evening, world. Tomorrow, guys, available ninyo siya, guys, sa Binaratos Eatery sa among The Glamour Snack House. Ako ang Nourishing Lip Balm, guys, nga perfect ni siya kayo labi nag mag-drive kag motor kay it's actually sun's protection or the UV rays protection kay rich in antioxidant ni siya. Jelly and so smooth dyan na siya, guys. So lovely kaining among Nourishing Lip Balm, guys. Nice kaayo siya. For only 80 pesos. And then, ato ang mga lovely perfumes and colognes are available also. Ako rin yung gigamay sa aron, guys, kay harong di ra maghuot dito sa snack house namo. Actually, daghan kong stocks, pero kani sa ako ibutang dito, guys. So, we have here the scents. We have the Ariana Grande Cloud, kani siya, Ariana Grande Cloud. And then we have Chanel No. 5. Mga bestsellers na ako ni siya, guys. Katy Perry Meow, bestseller. Myrrh and Tonka, bestseller po ni siya. And then our newest ones, our newest two of the Jo Malone. It's actually the English Pear and Frisca, and also the Peony, and the Blush. Peony and Blush, kana siya. And then, ang amua pong bestseller since before, Chanel Chance, and then the CK1 or the Calvin Klein 1. So, mauni siya itong mga available scents, guys, for only 160 pesos. You can buy it at the The Glamour Snack House. You can buy it there at the The Glamour Snack House. And then we have testers, guys. So kani siya ang mga testers sa front. So we're gonna just label it testers para makatest mo, guys, or matest ninyo, guys, unsa inyong mga ganahan nga scents, unsa yung mga favorite scents ninyo. So hope you guys will buy my products at Binaratos Eatery or The Glamour Snack House. So again, we have the Nourishing Lip Balm. Very lovely kay ang atong Nourishing Lip Balm, guys. All natural ingredients. Wag yung ko'y lang gisago, guys. Natural ingredients na nan. Vitamin E oils and stuff. Beeswax and our special oils. And shea butter. And then we added some a touch of mango and vanilla. Yeah. Kuha ni siya. Tinted ni siya gamay, guys. Not too much. Mo blend ni siya sa imuhang color of your lips. So, nice kayo ni siya. Kaya mo blend lang siya. And then, we have all these perfumes and colognes. Ready na ni sila, guys. Kaya sealed na ni sila tanan. So, I'm happy. So, hope you guys will buy my products. Have a wonderful evening. Keep safe, everyone.